Hello, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. Hazelnut cookies with a soft and chocolate feel will be made in this video. Ingredients to be used for cocoa and nut cookies: 3 large eggs, melted butter, sifted wheat flour, granulated sugar. I use dark cocoa, you can use it in light cocoa. Raw nuts, powder vanilla, carbonate. Salt will be half what it looks like. Rollers and thick bags may be needed to crack nuts. Baking paper and 2 baking trays will be used. Use a large pan to roast raw nuts. Roast the hazelnuts on high heat, stirring constantly. The outer shells of the nuts need to be peeled this way. After the hazelnuts are roasted, pour them into the large tray and let cool. Crusts will peel off more easily after cooling. Peel off shells by rubbing with both hands. If you don't want to deal with it much, you can use ready roasted hazelnuts. It can be a bit of a challenge, but you can be sure it will taste better. Prepare 130 grams of hazelnuts in this way and you will have to break these nuts. Add the hazelnuts in a thick nylon bag and tap them off with a roller. Do not use a mixer because we do not want it to be in the form of powdered nuts. Add sugar to mixing bowl. Add the melted butter. Mix the butter and sugar well with the hand blender. Add 1 egg and mix. Add second egg and mix. Add the third egg and mix. Make sure the sugar inside is completely melted. Add cocoa to flour. Add other powder ingredients and mix. First add half to the strainer and add by sieving. Mix well with a hand mixer. Add the other part and mix with a spoon. Add the broken nuts, add some nuts to add to the cookie. I want to add a handful of finely ground hazelnuts. This part is optional. I want to state that I added 365 grams of flour in total. The consistency is not too hard this way and will have a consistency that sticks to your hand. Add paper to the baking tray and add the cookie dough with a spoon. I will make 2 cookies, large and medium. These will be large. You can make medium cookies this way using 2 spoons. If you make it this size, you can get at least 26 cookies. Add the nut pieces on the cookie dough. Glue them with a little pressure and straighten out some distorted ones. Bake in the preheated oven for a maximum of 9 minutes at 200 degrees, top and bottom even temperature and without fan. Cookies will have cracks like this, and they will be soft when you take them out of the oven. You need to let the cookies come into contact with the air, drop them on a grid with a spatula and cool. These were large cookies. Do not bake for more than 10 minutes. Small cookies will be baked now. Small cookies are enough to bake in this way. It will be like soft brownie. After the cookies have cooled, they are ready to serve. I can say that it is full of nuts and delicious. It will be great to serve with plain or milk coffee. We have come to the end of a detailed video recipe prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.